Good morning, December 25th, 2009. Merry Christmas, everybody. Well, the blizzard of Christmas Eve is finally over. We broke several records, ending with a total amount of snow of 14.1 inches within a 24-hour period. Nothing like it in Oklahoma ever. Standing on the street, even though you can't really tell, the snow drifts behind the cars are about a foot and a half deep. That's one mound that Dad already dug out and covered up over there. There's a snow drift on the side of the house. It's about a foot tall, foot deep or so. Pretty crazy, pretty cold. Right now it's about, I think it's at 26 degrees. With the wind, it's died down a lot, but with the wind chill it's around 12, I think they said. 10, 11, 12, somewhere in there. But anyway, just a little document posted on YouTube or something. Merry Christmas.